Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel and to our van series. So today we're putting the plywood down in the floor. So first of all, we've just spent a while cleaning the floor again and making sure there's no dirt and grime underneath before we put the plywood down. And now I am going to measure it all up, cut out some, I've got some cardboard, so I can't get it, it's too big. I've got some cardboard, so I'm going to make some templates, measure it all a couple of times, measure twice, cut once and all that. And then we're going to get it in and hope it fits, which is exciting, because then the next thing to make it look like we've actually made a start to making a camper van and not just covered a van in tinfoil will be to choose some flooring, which is very exciting. So as soon as we've got the ply down and we know exactly how big the floor space will be, we will go and choose some lino. Very exciting. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. So I've just done loads of measuring up of all the different areas so that when I come to cut I can check off my paper rather than having to keep coming back and re-measuring it. First thing I'm going to do, to move you up a bit, not got me assistant, oh my god. So first thing I'm going to do, I need to lean on my jacket because this falls real hard, is I'm going to measure around the step area, like draw around it with a template up with the cap. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a template around the step area. Doing a van build like Art Attack. You know who doesn't love Art Attack?
While Lucinda's working so hard and she's doing a really good job, I'm busy stressing about how this step's going to turn out because I just can't vision it.
So, as you can see, what I have done, 1 minute, a bit rough around the edges, but it gives you an idea of, it's just so that when we cut the awkward stages of the plywood, I know that that's the right size, so I can draw that round on the plywood and then obviously cut it out neater. So yeah, I think that's gone quite well. I'm going to do it slightly different on the other step to show Adam two different options and see which one he thinks we should do. So this one I've left quite a lot of the step exposed, but on the other one I'm going to do a bit more of a enclosed area, so the step's a bit smaller. But to be honest, this step we might actually cover straight over with the plywood because we're going to have the kitchen unit over this area anyway, so you're not going to use this step. So should I just do that for nothing? On to the other one.
What is she like?
Lost our big scissors. I'm not gonna lie, I like things neat, but I do wing it a little bit. That's why I need to do these templates, because I'm not winging it with the plywood. I also use this same cardboard to build all my furniture in cardboard before, like for us to decide our design. I'll pop a picture up of that. If you haven't seen our video where we did that, it's a really good idea to build your furniture into cardboard to give you a good idea of the space. So, as you can see, I've done this one slightly different. So we've got the option of making it, squaring it off, and then we'll put some edging along the plywood edges, or the one that we did before, which is more of a curved edge showing a bit more of the step. So decisions. So we're just cutting the first piece of ply for the floor. So far we measured it and it's the measurements just being funny, so we're going to just cut it slightly bigger and
we can rectify it if we need to.
Yeah, and hope for the best.
We'll keep what was it, measure 3 times, cut once?
Measure twice, cut once. We measure 3 times.
Maybe 4.
Right,
we'll see how we get on.
Let's go. Doing a van build on a budget always makes it scary when you cut into a brand new piece of plywood, or any wood for that matter. If you know, you know.
Especially if you can't cut straight like me.
And that's why the cutting's left to me.
Yup. So Lucinda's using a template that she made in the van before, and she's just drawing it out on the piece of wood, and then we're going to cut it. Oh, Lucinda's going to cut it now.
Checking and checking again.
For it still to go wrong.
Does it? Let's go. I'll leave that. Okay, the screw holes are going in. We're going for it.
Yeah.
There goes nothing.
So we've just cut this template out, as you can see, perfect by Lucinda. And then do you want to explain what you've just done with the corners?
I just drew 2 holes in the corners of the template so that when I turn my angle, it'll like go through, because it'll give it a little extra space. Better doing the other side first, so I don't have to cut a step out.
That's really good. That, well done.
Moment of truth. What are you doing there then, Adam?
Just sanding the edges off after Lucinda's cut it, so it's a nice smooth finish.
Just you didn't want that piece, did you?
Pardon?
You didn't want that piece, did you?
No, I didn't want that. This is the only job I'm trusting.
Very important job, well done, Adam.
I do the electrics, you see.
One job, man.
No, important job. That's why we're a good team.
Yeah. Check it on the template. Good job, that. Job's a good one.
On that.
Job's a good one.
Test it.
You're a proper man.
Because I can't measure. I have to be reminded of it. Yeah, I'm a man now. No wet pants on.
What does that say?
Mrs. always right. She's a me. Is that what you said?
What? Peekaboo. Right, wait. Slide it in slightly. Just needs a slight corner taken off, which I've already templated.
Well done, girl. Yeah.
Take 3. Oh yeah, it's scary for me.
Why?
Because I'm measuring and cutting it. So after the 3rd time, we managed to get it to fit quite perfectly, if I do say so myself.
So if you're up to the stage of doing your ply, then definitely try using a cardboard template, because it really does help.
Yeah, the cardboard template is a must. I would not have attempted to cut it without that.
If you've got any questions, then let us know in the comments.
And if you like this video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
And if you want to keep up to date with the van build, then don't forget to subscribe.
And turn on the bell for notifications. I was conscious about getting dust on the camera. In the next episode, we'll have some good tips on how to finalise your design so you can get on with the exciting part.
Woo!